So here you can see two squirrels in between 5 meters of each other doing something. I don't know what they're doing. This looks interesting, and that squirrel on the balcony just keeps looking into my direction for some reason. And that squirrel down there is doing something. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing something. If you closely look, it's just on that tree for quite a long time. That squirrel up there, I don't know when it got up there, but damn, that's cute. That's cute as shit. Yes, this is my first sort of vlog or vlog or whatever you say. And I'm happy about making one because look at this. You don't see this often here. At least I believe so, because I've never seen two squirrels in between. What now is 3 meters. Sorry that I'm shaking so much. I could get my chair over here. I could. It's gonna be a short video, of course, because I'm not gonna film it. I'm gonna be filming in like an hour or something. But that thing looks like a nut. A hair. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry. I don't want it to sound like it sounds like. Anyway. So, what is that squirrel doing, if anybody is like an expert with animals? I have no fucking clue. They're both staring away from me. Probably to that thing on the ground, if that is a nut or not. So yeah, guys. I guess. No. That's my vlog. Thank you guys for watching. See all you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe again. There's nobody on this planet that has to do so, because I'm just here to entertain people. Show them something funny. And I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't see it yet, I have been problems with Critical Ops, so just watch the last video if you didn't see it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and goodbye.